Hey loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Hard Candy Just Glow Baked Highlighting Trio in Cruisin The Coast. I picked this up from Walmart for $6. This palette comes with a rose gold, an iridescent, and a bronzy shade, along with a really soft brush. I did side-by-side comparisons of the highlighters dry and wet so you can see how pigmented they are. I will also be creating this sparkly blue bronze eye using the LA Colors Must Have Eyeshadow Palette in Peace as requested by Areda Bush. So thank you so much, Areda, for requesting this look. I'm blending the Amuse Cosmetics Smoky Eyes Single Shadow in Chocolate in and above my crease using my Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. I primed my lid with the Ruby Kisses 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. Now with my AOA E122, I'm applying this deep navy blue shadow to the outer half of my lid. With that same brush, I'm now applying this bronzy shade from the inner corner to the middle of my lid. To combine those two shadows together, I'm taking my Start Mini Pencil brush and applying the Hard Candy Glitterati Liquid Sparkler in the shade Galactic. To build up the opacity, I applied a second layer. I'm highlighting my brow bone with this really pretty iridescent shadow using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. Time for liner. To achieve my winged eyeliner, I'm using one of my favorite drugstore eyeliners, which is the E.L.F. liquid liner. The applicator is so precise and it makes it so easy to get a nice wing. I applied a coat of the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Then I went ahead and popped on my Miss Lash's 3D Volume Lash in the style M314. I'm using my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush to blend that Amuse Cosmetics Single Shadow in Chocolate along my lower lash line. Now I'm applying the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara to my lower lashes. Now I'm applying the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in the shade Blackest Black onto my waterline. I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with this bright gold shade using my E.L.F. Small Smudge brush. Taking my Modessa Angled Blush brush, I'm applying this deep berry shade from the Belle Bouquet Naturals palette. I do have a video on this palette that will be up in the cards. Time for my favorite part of getting ready, which is my highlight. I am taking the Hard Candy Just Glow Trio in Cruisin The Coast. I'm first going to apply this beautiful rose gold shade. And loves, let me tell you something about this brush. This brush is absolutely amazing. It is so soft and it's doing basically all of my blending for me. That is so cute. Alright, I decided that was not enough, so now I'm going in with this iridescent shade in the middle and applying it just on the apples of my cheeks. Moving on to lips, I'm first lining and filling in my lips with the Davis Cosmetics Lip Liner in shade 6. It is a beautiful brown, but on me it's a perfect nude shade. I got it in a set of liners off of Amazon. If I can find the link, I will put it in the description. And I'm going over that with the Jasmine Belle Lip Topper in shade 2. It is a non-sticky, super sparkly gold lip gloss. It feels nice and lightweight on the lips. This actually came in a pack of 5 from DD's for only $6. I hope you loves enjoyed the tutorial. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought. If you're wondering why my hair changed halfway through the video is because when I got ready to film the face portion of the tutorial, I decided to comb out my wig, and that was not a good idea, so I just threw on this other one. I will make sure to have all of the products listed down below in the description. Also, have you tried any of the Hard Candy Just Glow Baked Highlighting Trios? I would love to know your thoughts on this product as well. I know I definitely love it, even though it's baked. It is a buildable formula, which is also good because it gives you variations in terms of how your highlight can look. You get 3 different shades and a bomb-ass brush. This brush is amazing, and as I stated earlier in the video, it did all of the blending for me. Really, really pretty. And I also like how this iridescent shade right here in the center looks right on the apples of the cheeks. It's very gorgeous. All right, loves, drop a comment down below telling me what you thought. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.